Hey, hi guys. From this video, I'm planning to discuss Oauth2. This is the content I'm going to post in the coming videos. Initially, we'll start with Oauth introduction. Let's see. So Oauth2 is basically an authorization framework. It helps one application to gain limited access from some other third-party application with the help of user. So this is how Oauth2 will work. So before going into Oauth terminology, let's try to understand in general how it works. If you take this diagram, there are two parts here. We have one model access model and we have one more access delegation model. So OAuth2 follows access delegation model. So before discuss about this access delegation model, let's see access model how it works. In the access model, we have two parties here. One is the user and the other one is the third party application. So this may be anything like a Facebook or Google or GitHub, anything. When user have a credentials about this application, it can directly log in into this and he can do whatever he need. So this is accessing directly. It indicates like access model. But when it comes under access delegation model, we have a one more third-party application here. This is trying to communicate with some other third-party application with the help of user. So this is the difference. Like access model, directly talking. When it comes under Oauth, there is a mediator. Some third-party application is trying to connect with some other third-party application with the help of user. So this is how the access delegation model will work. Now let's move on the Oauth part. So if you take the Oauth architecture, there are few important modules here: resource owner, client, authorization server, resource server. A resource owner is just nothing but any logged in user we can call it's a resource owner, and the client is just nothing but any third party application we can call as a client. And authorization server and the resource server will be reside in some other third party application, and it is providing the tokens and it is protecting the resources. So this is how these models will work. And if you take the flow, like the resource owner initially will log into the third party application, and from here, like it is trying to communicate to the authorization server for getting the token. After getting the token, it will try to make a protected resource call. So this is how the flow will work. When it comes to the implementation part, so if you take this as a two parts, right, the left part and the right part, the left part we can consider as the client part and the right side we can consider as a server part. So simply I can say Oauth consumer, the left part, and the Oauth provider is the right part. So when it comes to the implementation, when you if you want to define any third party application want to build act like a Oauth consumer, we have a certain APIs. At the same time, if your application want to be act like a Oauth provider, we have a certain APIs and we need to follow those standards to write the code. In the coming videos, I will show you how we need to define your application act like a Oauth consumer and same like Oauth producer. I will show you like all these modules how we need to define programmatically and see the same or whatever the flow we discussed. I will show you it in programmatic manner in the coming videos. Thank you.